we'll guide you through how to effectively use Claude Work, the AI-powered productivity tool that's been making waves in the digital workspace. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Work website. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is where you can access all of Claude Work's features. The first step to using Claude Work is to create a new project. To do this, click on the New Project button, usually located at the top right of your dashboard. Give your project a name and description, then click Create. This will open up the project workspace. Here, you can add tasks, set deadlines, and assign team members. Click on Add Task to start listing out what needs to be done. You can enter the task name, description, and due date. If you're working with a team, you can assign tasks to specific members by clicking on the Assign option and selecting their names from the list. Claude Work also allows you to communicate with your team directly through the platform. Just use the chat feature on the right side of your screen to send messages or start discussions about the project. You can also upload files and documents that are relevant to your tasks by clicking on the Upload button. All your project files will be stored in the cloud, so they're always accessible to everyone involved in the project. One of the most powerful features of Claude Work is its AI assistant, which can help you with scheduling, reminders, and even generating reports. To make use of this feature, simply type your request into the AI chat box and let Claude Work do the rest. Whether it's calculating project timelines or reminding you of upcoming deadlines, the AI assistant is a great tool to streamline your workflow. To keep track of your progress, you can view the project timeline and see which tasks are completed, pending, or overdue. This visual representation helps you manage your time efficiently and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.